We are at Rosario Fernandez house at Mobor, which is the jurisdiction of village Panchayat Kavelosi. We are very happy to see Mr. Rosario Fernandez and Mrs. Nifa Fernandez. So they are using their valuable time to convert the wet waste from their household, turn into compost, and the same compost along with the leachate they are using it for growing their own vegetables and other fruit plants. His experience can motivate others to go with same type of composting instead of throwing wet waste out in the open environment and damaging the environment. So I request Mr. Rosario to share his experience how he goes with this type of compost.
Thank you, Mr. Eleuterio. I'm very happy that you have come today to see the composting, garbage composting what we are doing here. And this is a brainchild of yours only. You only have introduced us about wet garbage composting. First of all, let me just say about some back history about this garbage management. Around 15 years back, there was one Father Nelson Christopoulos in Kavelosi who have given initiative to the villages to segregate garbage and do a lot of things about garbage management. That's how we were used to segregate garbage, and there was a continuation of that segregation. But we never had this opportunity to do this wet garbage composting.
Finally, that time you were only segregating dry waste.
Dry waste.
Yes.
And even now, Panchayat is collecting once a week the dry waste.
What I have heard from your wife that earlier Panchayat have distributed khamba composters of terracotta,
Yes.
where the mostly villages have paid and purchased those khamba composters.
Correct.
And as she said, you all were using first those khamba composters.
Yes.
So can you also share your experience how it was? It was a nice idea, Panchayat introducing khamba composters
Yeah.
for the villagers to do the composting.
Exactly. See, this must be around say around 8 to 10 years back, and I still have those clay composter or whatever you call that.
Khamba composting of terracotta.
Yeah, terracotta. And not only one, we bought 3 sets of such things because
Okay.
we were very much interested in controlling the wet garbage also. And we still have some of those pieces. Some are broken, but still we are using some of them. And what happened, since we have a shop, we used to get a lot of wet garbage like vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes.
That's what you brought it here to show. This is the wet garbage from Rosario's general store, as well as they have a wet waste from the normal household kitchen, where banana peels and onion peels and all. So this is how they use all this waste.
And this was given by village panchayat. You know,
Okay.
This was given by village panchayat.
So nice of village Panchayat Kavelosi. Here you can see village Panchayat of Kavelosi Salset. Now village Panchayat have distributed these beans to collect wet waste. Really the Kavelosi village Panchayat is working hard to make this awareness, and this is how they are collecting this bean, green color bean,
Yeah.
wet waste to dispose for the composting.
Yeah. So what we do is all our wet garbage from our home kitchen waste we collect in this wet garbage collection bin, and once it is full we shift it in this bigger composter. Now this process we are doing almost when this is full, then we shift it in a bigger one, and in this we add dry waste like we have here mango tree and chiku tree leaves and all. So she has just brought something. And this is
Okay.
also panchayat given by panchayat.
Now village Panchayat Kavelosi have distributed 2 bins. That is 2 bin segregation. One is green color for the wet waste and one is black color for the dry waste. It is very nice and very good work village Panchayat of Kavelosi is doing, and you can see it at Rosario's house at Mobor. Dry waste is well segregated. Now tell me, this dry waste is collected by the village panchayat
Every side, once a week.
once a week. Good. So village panchayat Kavelosi Salset is collecting dry waste from all the household resident from their jurisdiction once in a week. And wet waste they need to do compost. Before this, Mr. Rosario was in Parish Pastoral Council of Kavelosi Parish as well as Lions Club, and still you are there in the Lions Club.
I'm also in the VDC.
Okay, he is also Village Development Committee member of Village Panchayat Kavelosi. So this is very nice example where Mr. Rosario has said to his fellow villagers to do the composting. Can you tell me something more now? This waste after converting into compost, is it you are using it for your garden?
This is very, very useful for us to use for our garden. And because of this organic waste manure, we get good fruit from our garden. We use this for our papayas and other plants which are there. And my wife is very happy to see that by using this organic waste, we get good fruit also. So आम्ही हितून आम्ही आमचे घर केलेलो वेट गार्बेज कंपोस्ट केलो तितून आमी हिंगा आमी मिरसांग रोयल्यो आमकां घरां खावपाक बी मेळटली म्हणून आनी त्यो एकदम बऱ्यो जाले आनी आमी आमगे ते वेट गार्बेज लिचेट जे पळय मेळटात ते एका सारेश करून आमी घाताय आनी हें झाड एकदम बरें जालां आनी तेका चोयल जाल्यार आतां हेतून मिरसांग सुद्दां येयलो आहाय मातशें ल्हान आहाय त्यो आतां हालीं येयले तेका आनीक हितून सद्या 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 रोंपी आहाय मिरसांगेच्यो आनीक एकदम बरें जालें हें झाड.
Shade collected every day by Mr. Rosario and his wife Mrs. Nifa by opening the tap which is kept for the drainage for this unit. Now this is the leachate you can use by diluting 1:1 ratio. If you collected 2 liter leachate, you need to mix 2 liter plain water, dilute and use for your garden plant. It is very rich in pH level, organic manure, and where you can grow your own food. So this is you all are collecting and
Yes,
using
yeah,
it.
we are using it.
So you all are using leachate as well as solid compost.
Right. ओके हे वेट गार्बेज आमगे घराकूची तितूंतले हें तेजे लिचेट कितें भायर सोते आमी हितून कलेक्ट कोताय बाटलींक आनी हिंगा ते कलेक्ट केलो लिचेट आमी हे हितून घालून आयदनां घालून तें सपोज 1 लिटर हें घायल जाल्यार लिचेट तितून 1 लिटर उदक घालून पातळ करप उदक घायलां 1 लिटर सुमार आनीक हें डायल्यूट केलां पातळ केलां आनीक हें व्हरोन आतां आमी झाडां घाताय हे झाड ते पपाये झाडाकूय घायलां आनी ते पपाये फूल येताय सो बरी फळ जातलीं ती सो हें एक झाड आमगेलें हेजें फ्रुटाचें सो ताका आमी तें सारें घायलां आमगे लिचेट आनी उदक मिक्स करून आनीक दुदीन पंपकिना झाडाकूय घायलां आनीक युवाल पंपकिनाची ते एक फूल येताय बरी फळय आनीक एक बरो दुदी पडला 4.5 किलां सुमार ही आमी आमगेले घरा कडेन कंपोस्ट केल्लो हे हितूंकूच हे कांदे पळय बारीक बारीक पिड्यार जाताय वो ते कोंब येयलो आसताय तांकां हितून घायल्ले घराकूच वेट गार्बेज कंपोस्ट करून घायलो तितूंकूच तें काण आनी तितून हे कांद्याचे पात्यो एकदम बरी जाले आनीक आमी ते आमकां घरांक हेजी पाती जायते घालपाक कातून काण वताय लायक घरांत तूं सॅलड करता जाल्यार ऑर सूप आनी हे भाशेन सो आतां आमी कातून हितून घायल्या आनीक हय जाय तितलीच आपल्याक उजा करून जाय तितली काण व्हरपाची आनी हे भाशेन आमी घरा कडेन कांद्या पात स्प्रींग ऑनियन मेळटा बाजारांसून हाडपाक गरज पासून ना.
Okay, so it was nice to meet Mr. Rosario Fernandez and Mrs. Nifa Fernandez from Mobor, where they have set an example for Kavelosi village by composting their own household waste They have support of Kavelusi village panchayat also. Taking their example and following their step, it will be better. All the villagers from Kavelusi village panchayat practice this composting and take care of their own wet waste from the household kitchen and convert into rich valuable compost and grow their own food, that is called as a organic food, where it will be healthy. Thank you very much for
Thank you
sharing your experience.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you very much.